The 2025 Young Birds are out in the batting cage right now. Today is their second day out in the batting cage. They did really well. A lot of them went back in by themselves. There was maybe 10 or 15 that I had to catch last night and put back in. But the rest of them went back in on their own. This is day 2. Probably going to give them maybe 3 more days with the trap door just open, letting them go in and out. After about 3 more days, I'm probably going to put the trap door closed